Welcome to Legit Ideas, the number one go-to YouTube channel for finance and tech. Please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. You can see on your screen very well, I just earned another 6,648,000 Pixeltap coins from today's daily combo. Howdy. And as you can see, this person I just shared the combo with just won 1,548,000 Pixeltap coins. Now you know how much that is, and I really can't wait to share today's combo with you so that you can also earn like this or even more than this for yourself. So let's get started quickly in this very short video how you can get today's combo and earn up to 6 million Pixeltap coins. So the first thing you will do is to launch your Telegram app and come to the Pixeltap bot like this. Then when you come to the bot like this, you launch bot. So to launch the bot, you click on launch bot and you launch the bot. So immediately you launch the bot, you click on reward here, you click on reward. So having clicked on reward, so after clicking on reward, you see daily combo here. Now you click on play, to play the combo. So you click on play. So once you click on play, you will appear on the daily combo page like this. This is how it is now. So you'll appear on the daily combo. So for today's combo, on the first column, put this one. Let me show you. Yes, slide it to the first column. Just slide it. Correct. Then for the second column, you slide this one here. Let me point it with my arrow. Yes, you slide this one to the second column. Watch what I'm showing you. Slide it to the second column. Correct. Then for the third column, you slide this one at the top right ending. Yes, this one I'm pointing now. Slide it to the third column. That's correct. Then finally, this one now in the third position there. Okay, slide it to the last column. Very good. Now this is correct, and correct. So you can now click on check to check it. Click on check. Congratulations, claim your reward. As you can see, you just won yourself a very big, huge reward, and you can win up to 6 million Pixeltap coins from just this single act. So you can claim now. Click on claim to claim your reward. You successfully unlocked today's Pixeltap daily combo. We hope to see you again tomorrow for tomorrow's combo here on Legit Ideas TV. Don't forget to usually post all the combos every morning. So come to our YouTube channel every morning and get the daily Pixeltap combo where you can earn up to 6 million Pixeltap coins, and you know what that means. If there's anywhere you are confused, please use the comment section. If you have not yet started, please go to the description section of this video and click the link there to register and start now. Or you can also check the comment section, because if you miss Pixeltap, trust me, you've missed a lot of things. We hope to see you in our next videos and in all our videos on our site. Till then, au revoir. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you learned something new from this video today. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please. Thank you.